This is the cooling fan I received. It's supposed to be the better version because it's self-contained. That means even if it falls over, no problem. The water, you put about half a liter of water in there. Close it up. Now, it's portable, which I love. And I thought, okay, so put in the plug. I leave it unplugged. I leave the plug in for a day, and then it's all charged up and it's ready to go. I was wrong. Anyway, so this little tray here, I leave this in here because it sucks up the condensation that drips down here perfectly. If you have it on for a little while, there will be drops of condensation here. So I'll put that back in. Okay, this is now connected to USB because only then it works. Okay, on the back, before I forget that, it has a filter. I didn't put this in the right way last time, so it's easier for me to show you. So you can actually clean out this filter. So I'm gonna put it on, if I don't get it in right away, I'm just gonna move on. Okay, so let's pretend this is back the right way, otherwise it will be forever here. Okay, so now it's plugged in. Power on. This is speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Yeah, it feels good and we're sitting in front of it. Can you see how big it is? And now with this spray, let's put it on full power. And hopefully you can see soon. There it is. See, that's, you can hear it. See the spray? And it does feel good. Oops, sorry, I touched it. Now we can start again. Spray. Let's do spray 2. Takes a little while. Ow. Okay, here it is again. Can you see that mist? I can certainly feel it. But it's only on speed 1. So if you have it on full speed, a little bit further away, it's pretty powerful. That's probably why it has to be plugged in. They haven't come up with an idea to make a battery, so it's not too heavy. This one doesn't weigh anything at all. So it's perfect to take with you anywhere you need some nice, oh yeah, cooling heat. See? There's up and down. And been doing the fanning now. I feel just one little drops here. So I'm never worried if this falls over. I did it in the car a couple of times, so oh, it fell over, no problem. No water came out. Oh, this time just a little bit, but because I had the spray on high, but still it's nothing spills out. Caught by this little tray. Overall, it's a great little unit for a small space. Don't expect it to be like a big air conditioner, but it's definitely great. And the only thing that I wish was different was that it really could be charged. But maybe in 2 years or next year they come out and then I get a new one. But this little thing, you will find that you miss it when you don't have it. I was laughing about this because my husband wanted this and he saw it and I'm like, are you kidding me? Nope. But it turns out to be a great little gadget.